Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Nidhi and today we are going to make granola bars. These no baking granola bars are protein packed and gluten free and it is very delicious. Moreover, it gets ready in no time. These granola bars are so much better than what you can buy at the store, especially since you can substitute for your favorite dried fruits or nuts. Before we move on to the recipe, I want to request you all, if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon so you never miss another update. And let's get started. Take around 8 to 10 soft dates and de-seed it. I'm using medjool dates as it is very soft, but you can use any dates of your choice. If your dates are little bit hard, then soak it into a warm water for some time and then make a paste out of it. I will transfer all the dates into a mixing jar and I'll make paste out of it. You can see it is very smooth and there are no big chunks, so this is what we are looking for. Take it out in one bowl and keep it aside. Now into a pan, take 2 cups of quick cooking oats. Now we will roast our oats for 3 to 4 minutes. This is necessary because we are not baking our granola. You can touch your oats to see if they are nice and warm. If they are, then it's indication that it is done. Now transfer this into a mixing bowl. Now into the same pan, I'm going to add 1 cup of puffed rice. We will dry roast puffed rice for 2 to 3 minutes till it becomes crispy. Now it is done, so transfer it into a mixing bowl. Now in the same pan we will dry roast our nuts. So take 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds, 1/4 cup of cut almonds, 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds. Also add some pistachios. Now we will roast our nuts and seeds in the same pan for 2 to 3 minutes on a medium heat. This helps in releasing their oils, which adds to the flavor. You can add nuts and seeds of your choice which you like in your granola bars. Lastly, I will add some coconut flakes. Try to add more colors of seeds and nuts in your granola bar so which make it tempting. And at the same time you will have the goodness of all the nutritions in your diet. Now this is done, so turn off the stove and take it out in a different bowl. Today I am using homemade peanut butter and I have already posted the recipe of peanut butter on my YouTube channel. Transfer peanut butter and 2 tablespoons of honey in a microwave safe bowl and we will microwave it for 1 minute. We don't need to cook them, we just need to heat them till they get a thin consistency. This helps in easy mixing with the dried ingredients. Now add all the roasted nuts and seeds into oats and puffed rice bowl. Here I am also adding some dried cranberries and blueberries. If you don't have berries, you can use raisins. Now add the mixture of peanut butter and honey Also add a date paste which we have prepared earlier. And now with the help of your hand, mix everything well. You can see we are not using any sugar in our recipe. At this point, if you feel that your granola bar mixture is little bit dry, then feel free to add more peanut butter or honey. You can see now our granola bar mixture is all together. Here I have taken one rectangle tray and I'm going to grease it with the help of oil. You can use butter or ghee. Grease it nicely from all the sides so that it will be easier to remove the granola from the tray. Now pour the mixture onto a greased tray and spread it evenly using a spatula or by hand. This is necessary to give your bars a smooth finish, and it also helps your granola bar to stay together. Now I will transfer this into a refrigerator at least for 2 to 3 hours. Our granola has become hard after refrigeration and we will cut it into slices. We will begin with the making a cut in the center. You can cut the slices as per your preference. Since this is made at home, it doesn't have all the preservative that you find in the store-bought one. This is very healthy, and as you can see, we are using only natural ingredients to make the bar. You can see our granola bars are looking gorgeous. They have a very soft and chewy texture and they taste delicious. If you like my videos, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also share with your families and friends. Thank you for watching and I will see you soon with the next recipe.